We have an automatic mission, route mission for the DJI Agras T100 here. You can tell it's a DJI Agras T100 because of the LiDAR data right here. It's a citrus field. It's 5.31 acres, as you can see here. The parameters that we put, route spacing, we put it at 38. Well, we can change it to, yeah, 38 is fine. And then we have the start point closer to the aircraft, that's fine too. Advanced settings, it's route only. We could have had the route and boundary, change it like that, or only spray the boundary if we wanted to, but we do route only. So we have 25.3 acres in the tank. If I press save, okay, you see we had 5.3 acres, now it shows 4.4. Why is that? 5.3 acres was the actual area here. 4.4 is because we added like a safety margin for just this test. It's removing these boundaries, that's why it's showing 4.4 acres. So when you press use, it will show you it's 5 gallon per acre we are selecting here. For orchard, usually they spray finer droplet sizes. Flight speed, you put a high number, let's say like 100 for example, but it gives you the max speed that it's gonna go because it's 5 acres. If this was, let's say 1 gallon per acre, and I would put 100, it would allow me to go 65.6 feet per second, but it automatically adjusts the max speed for us. So let's do 4 gallon per acre, and it's right now, you see, even if I put 25, it gives me 17.3 feet per second as the max speed. Height above crops 12 is fine. Route spacing 38 is fine, and then all we need to do at this point is just press start, and the drone will take off and go start here, move on, and finishes here, then it comes back home. But as you can see, there are some trees in between where it wants to come back home from. What we can do is that we can add either basically a connection point here, so the drone, when it finishes right here, instead of coming straight to home, it goes to that point. Or we can just go and see, imagine like this, the height is of these trees is 40 feet. You go to the settings, and then connection, routing, and RTH altitude, I will set it to, let's say 60 or 50 if it's 40 feet, right? So then that way the drone, when it finishes its operation, it goes up to 50 feet, then it comes 52 feet in this case, it goes back to 52 feet, comes to the home point and lands. The home point is where you last take off. So that's pretty much ready to go, but in addition to that, I would like to just test one connection point as well. So now when it starts, it goes to the connection point, goes to the beginning of it, and when it finishes, it comes to the connection point and then come back home. You can see how it's adding these dots. As it's adding these dots, it's creating a 3D image of the area that it's flying over. So now we just saw how the DJI Agras T100 sprayed 4.4 acres of citrus field in roughly about 10 minutes at 4 gallons per acre. If you were spraying, like, let's say cornfields or soybean, anything like that, you didn't have to put that much gallon per acre, and you would get it done faster because it would allow you to go faster. Also, these numbers are for the DJI Agras T100 with 2 nozzles, which comes by default. If you wanted to do it faster, it is possible. You just need to add the mist nozzle package to your drone. Then you will have 4 nozzles, and the pumps can put out more products out, so it allows the drone to go at a higher speed. Thank you for watching.